start of Lab 300, you should already be logged in the Oracle Cloud. If not, let's log in now. Enter your cloud account name, followed by your username and password. Once logged into the OCI console, let's navigate to Identity, Policies. Let's change the compartment to the root compartment. Be sure to select the PSM root policy. Now we're going to add a policy for OKE to manage services in the tenancy. Once the policy is added, let's navigate over to Developer Services, OKE. Let's change our compartment back to AppDev and select Cluster 1. We're now going to access the cluster and verify that things are running. So let's click on Launch Cloud Shell. Let's copy the statement in order to generate a kube config file. Once the kube config file is generated, let's issue some kubectl commands like cluster info, get nodes, and get pods. Here we will see the services running inside of Kubernetes. Here we can take the IP address of the container and put product/list onto the end, and here you'll see that the product REST service returns a JSON response. Here's another example of testing the product service REST URL for a specific product using the curl command. Here we're going to simulate a pod failure. We're going to delete a pod using kubectl. We first list the pods, and then we issue the delete pod command. Once the pod is deleted, let's list the pods again. Here you will see that the new pod's only been up for 28 seconds. And that concludes Lab 300. Let's move on to Lab 400 now.